Hello, hi viewers. Welcome back to our channel. So this is a assistant professor, Karnataka assistant professor uh, question paper. So the first question number 97. The quality factor Q of a band pass filter depends on. So options: the critical frequencies, only the bandwidth, and option 3 the center frequency and the bandwidth, and option number 4 only the center frequency. So band pass filter allows only certain range of frequency to pass through. This range is between two critical frequencies. One is lower cutoff frequency and upper cutoff frequency. So bandwidth is equal to f2 minus f1, that is upper cutoff frequency minus lower cutoff frequency. This tells you how wide the allowed frequency band is. So and center frequency is f0 equal to square root of f1 f2. This is the center frequency. So this is the frequency where the filter response is maximum. So quality factor, for the definition of quality factor is, for a band pass filter the quality factor is defined as quality factor Q equal to f0 divided by f2 minus f1. So f2 minus f1 is bandwidth. So f1 is lower cutoff frequency, f2 is upper cutoff frequency, f0 is center frequency. Q represents the selectivity of the filter. High Q, narrow bandwidth, sharp turning, and passes very small range of frequency. Low Q, wide bandwidth, poor selectivity, passes a wide range of frequency. So the quality factor of a band pass filter depends on option 3, the center frequency and the bandwidth. So option number 3 is the right answer. Next question. The resolution of 10-bit digital to analog converter for maximum output of 10.23 volt. So digital to analog converter converts a digital input code into proportional analog output voltage or current. Because the digital input has a finite number of bits, the analog output does not change continuously, it changes in discrete steps. So the resolution of digital to analog converter is defined as the smallest possible change in output voltage corresponding to a change of one least significant bit in the digital input. So the resolution, the formula is resolution equal to Vmax divided by 2 minus 1. Here n bits, and in the given problem Vmax is 10.23 and 2 raised to 10 minus 1. We can simplify this. 10.23 divided by 2 raised to 10 means 2 raised to 10 means 1024 minus 1 1023. We can get 0.01 volt, that is nothing but 10 millivolt. So the right answer, option number 2, 10 millivolt. Next question. Which of the following Boolean equation is not correct? So options are given below. A into 1 equal to A. This is right. And A plus 1 equal to A. this is not correct. This is not correct. And a plus 1, and this is also correct, and this is also correct. So option number 2 is the right answer. This is not the correct. Next question. Which of the following avoids the phenomenon of racing? Phenomenon of racing. So what is racing? In a normal JK flip-flop, when J equal to 1, K equal to 1, the output is supposed to toggle. But if the clock pulse is long, the output may toggle again and again during the same clock pulse. So the final output becomes unpredictable. This problem is called racing. So here the right answer, option number 4. JK master slave flip flop. Why master slave JK avoids racing? So it has 2 stages. First stage master, that reads input. Second stage changes output. Because of this, output can change only once per clock pulse. So no repeated toggling, no racing. So option 4 is the right answer. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.